When you're picking an insurance plan, one of the things you have to think about is the type of health insurance you'll be choosing. There are two main types of health insurance: commercial and public. Commercial insurance is one of the most common types of health insurance. It can also be called private insurance. This is a plan you get from a private health insurance company. You could get it from your job, from a plan you bought yourself, or from a health insurance marketplace, for example, on healthcare.gov. There are many types of commercial plans. They all have different levels of coverage and different costs. Usually, you'll pay less for plans that cover less of your healthcare needs, and you'll pay more for plans that cover more of your healthcare needs. To find out more about your commercial insurance options, you can call the health insurance plan directly. If you get your health insurance through your job, you can also talk to someone from your Human Resources department. The other type of health insurance is public or government-funded. These are plans you get from the state or federal government. There are government plans for various groups. People in the military or veterans can use TRICARE, Veterans Health Administration, or Department of Defense plans. People with lower income, pregnant people, the elderly, and people with disabilities can use state Medicaid. And people who are aged 65 years or older, who have certain disabilities, or who have end-stage renal disease can use Medicare. Let's take a closer look at Medicare. There are two types of Medicare: Medicare Advantage and Original Medicare. Both types of Medicare plans cover hospital visits, doctor's visits, and treatments you get at the doctor's office. Medicare Advantage is run by private insurance companies. It usually offers prescription drug coverage. Medicare Advantage plans may require you to use certain doctors or get referrals. Original Medicare is run by the government and is sometimes also called Traditional Medicare. With Original Medicare, you have to buy a separate plan for prescription drug coverage. If you need help with some of the costs the Medicare plan doesn't cover, you can buy a supplemental plan. This is known as Medigap. Medigap plans are only available for people with Original Medicare. The government provides resources to help you decide on a public insurance plan that will work best for you. You can learn more by visiting Medicare.gov, Medicaid.gov, or Benefits.gov.